This is the truth about the stock market. You know all that stuff that they don't want to tell you, that all your Instagram gurus, none of them people ain't gonna tell you? This is the video you need to watch. I'm gonna keep it real with you and let you know some of the tips that help me and that I think all new beginning investors should look at and look for when investing. All right, first and foremost, I want you to understand the first thing is that I love you. I'm proud of you. I don't know where you're from, what you got going on, but I'm proud of you. You know what I mean? Life is amazing. You're doing good. Good job, self. Shout out to Larry June. But listen, I want y'all to understand about this investing shit. One thing y'all need to realize is that this is a rich man's game. This is not no, if you don't have no money, get into it. I would not advise you to start investing shit if you don't have any capital. Because one of the key things about investing is that you have to have free capital. Because of an opportunity or something comes your way, but you're not ready for it, you don't have any money for it, you're gonna miss out on the opportunity. You're gonna miss out on said opportunity. So I think being able to have free capital is gonna be your best thing, because this is a rich man's sport, it's a rich man's game. It's for people who have money. That's the first tip. Second, what you need to remember is that stocks are for the long term. So many of y'all, you keep saying crypto gurus and niggas that you think know so much. People think know so much, but really they don't. They're just young 20-year-old people who hit Dogecoin once or twice, some weird random coin who made a couple dollars because they had some money to put in at one time. Don't let these people lie to you. Warren Buffett didn't do it easy, super quick, right? Jordan Belfort didn't do it super easy, super quick, right? Everybody's not them. So don't be fooled by what the peers are doing, what Instagram is doing. Understand this is a long term. Everything that I invest, I'm investing for the long term so that I can set myself up, because we don't get pensions and social security checks, okay? So what I'm doing is set myself up for the future. This is a long-term game. Investing is for the long term, not just a quick grab. So whatever these crypto gurus, these stock market gurus, and people on Instagram going to tell you, I'm not a stock market guru my damn self. You know, I just ended up being known for stocks because it's what y'all liked from me. And I'm blessed to know about it a little bit, but it's because I learned. So don't listen to these gurus as much as you listen to your own intention, your own gut, and for people who have results to show you. Last but certainly not least is understand that everybody is going to make a mistake, so you call it, or whatever you want to call it. As long as you learn from it, it's all good. Bro, I didn't sold too early. I would tell you not to sell too early. You have to really believe in the company that you want. So if you want to invest, don't just invest because you think Netflix is cool. You heard other people talk about it. Invest because you know about it. You research the company. You don't have to know about 20 companies. Just research the 1 or 2 companies, 3 companies that you really, really, really like and invest in them, because you don't lose unless you sell. That's one thing I know. You know, one thing I did was I sold my Nike. I sold my Costco. I sold my Costco when Costco was $200 or $300 a share, and I ended up selling it. Disney, all these stocks like this. So one thing I would tell y'all, man, is understand this is a long hold. Do not sell. You don't sell unless you don't lose unless you sell. So with that being said, people, those are a couple tips that I think all new beginners, especially investors, need to know, man, because everybody on Instagram and on the internet going, got y'all thinking, goddamn, that you can just turn up, oh man, crypto guru, and put a turtleneck on. Everybody don't, you know what I'm saying? Don't do it. Remember, I had to turn that on in my video. But everybody just doesn't get rich like that. That's not how you get rich and earn wealth. You have to learn a skill, have to develop a skill set to be good at investing. You feel me? So that's that. I love you. But this is the truth about investing, you know? Hold yourself down. Educate yourself on a few companies. Got the cops coming. Educate yourself on just a few companies, and everything else will work out for you, man. You don't need to know about 1,000 companies. You need to know only about the companies you want to be a part of and why you want to be a part of them. What is their future? What is their track record? What is their PE ratio? Check out some things about the company. Who runs it? What direction are they headed towards, you know? That's my advice for you. That's what I got for you. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. I love you. Some cops is loud as shit. Must be something going on. But until next time, people, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. You did.